Susie here. Welcome to La Petite Kitchen. I hope you're enjoying our videos. Today we're going to make Greek frappe coffee. When my husband and I visited Greece a number of years ago, we found that the favorite coffee, what they call American coffee in Greece, was Nescafe. And this is one of my souvenirs from Greece. It has signage in Greek, and the instructions in the back are all in Greek. So I saved that. That was American coffee when I was there. Rumor has it that the people of Greece were introduced to Nescafe during World War II when the American troops were there. I don't know if that's true or not, but it's a fun story. So to make frappe, we're going to need about 2/3 of a cup of water, cold water, because this is a cold drink, 2 teaspoons of Nescafe. Now I have Nescafe Classico here. The Greeks will tell you it's not the same as Greek Nescafe. I like mine slightly sweetened. In Greece, you can get it very sweet with like 2 teaspoons of sugar. I'm just going to put 1 in. And then you need to froth it. And if you don't froth it, it's not really frappe. It's just a soft drink over ice. Now, the history of coffee in Greece dates back to when Greece was part of the Ottoman Empire and coffee was introduced. And traditionally, the coffee was drunk in coffee houses called casinos, but they were populated by men only. They weren't fancy and they didn't have a lot of amenities, so women more or less didn't bother with it. Later, they developed cafeterias, which catered to your upwardly mobile and women. Then in 1957, at the International Fair in Theonosika, excuse me, the Greek frappe was introduced. And I think we have just about enough foam. And it's become very, very popular. And like I said, coffee in Greece is part of everyday life. Going for a cup of coffee is like a 1 to 2 hour date. They don't rush their coffee, they enjoy it. So here we go, we have our foam. We're going to add about 2 tablespoons of cold milk over our ice. Pouring our, see all that nice foam there on top? There we go. A wonderful, wonderful drink for a nice cold day or a nice hot day. So enjoy, and remember to subscribe to our site. Thank you.